Okay. Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the concept of playing with numbers. Now, over here, exercise 16.1, question number 1. Now, what is being told over here? 3a plus 25 will be given as b upon b2. Now, I have to find the value of a along with the value of b. Okay, I have to find the value of a along with the value of b. Now, over here 2 means what? When we are doing addition, over here 2 means what? 12. It can be 22, it can be 32. Now, if I am taking this as 12, so over here 2, 1 will be carried. So, when it is coming 12, so if I am doing 12 minus 5, what is 12 minus 5? 7. My a will be 7. For of course, if you are taking as 22, so if I am doing 22 minus 5, it will be given as 70. Now, a value can be a 2-digit number? No. We want a value to be a 1-digit number. So over here, 7 plus 5, 12. So what is my a value? 7 over here. Okay. Now, 7 plus 5, 12. 2 written over here. 1 is being carried. Now, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So what is my b value? 6. So over here, I will writing as 37 plus 25 will be given me as 60. Okay. Now moving on to question number 2. Over here same concept. Now I have to find over here the value of a, b and c. Okay. So over here a. Now this is means 3 means what? It is a 13. So 13 minus 8. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So my value of a will be 5. Now if I am taking over here 23 for example. So 23 minus 8, it will be 15. A can be a 2-digit number? No. I want only a 1-digit number. So 5 plus 3, 13. 3 over here. 1 is being carried. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So my value of b will be equal to 4 and the value of c will be equal to 4. See how it is. 45 plus 98 will be giving me as 143. Okay, so my value of b is over here 4, my value of c is over here as 1. Now, moving on to question number c. Now, till now we have done addition over here. In question number c, we will do multiplication. Now, see over here, a and a means when I am taking over exactly over here 1, my other one should be also over here 1, and the third a should be also equal to 1. So, think it properly. If I am taking my a is equal to 1, for example, so 1 and over here 1. So 1 1 the 1, correct, 5. 1 1 the 1, but we want over here 9. Okay, so 1 can't be the option. Now if I am taking 2 over here, 2 2 is the 4. A's value has got changed because it's 4 over here. I have supposed my A value to be 2 over here. So over here, the second option has 1. So same way over here for 3. So 3 is the 9. Okay, 4 4 is the 16. 5 is the okay. If I am taking over here 5. So 5 over here, for example, and over here 5. So 5 is the 25. 5 will be repeated over here. 2 will be carried. 5 1 is the 5. 5 plus 2, 7. I want over here 9. So 5 can't be the option over here. Now, if I am taking 6. So if I am taking 6 over here. So over here 1, 6 multiplied by 6. So 6 6 the 36. 6. 3 will be carried. 6 1 the 6. 6 plus 1 6 plus 3, 9. I want 9 over here and the value of a should be equal. So 6 6 6. So what is my value of a over here? 6. Okay. Now over here moving on to question number 4. Now what is the difference between 4th and question number 2nd and 1st? Over here b as well as a we have to find. Over here only the value of a. B was automatically found. But over here two values are missing over here. So at a time we can't find the value of 2 again together. So how to find? अगर हम लोग दो वैल्यू दिए हुए, पहले से दो वैल्यू दिए हुए, तो एक हम लोग फाइंड कर सकते हैं, जैसे 6 और 3 है, तो अगर मैं 3 और 6 है टोटल तो कौन है, तो मैं इसका वैल्यू 16 तो नहीं हो सकता है, तो 6 ही है, तो माय वैल्यू ऑफ a विल बी इक्वल टू 3 because 3 plus 3 6. Fine. Now if I am taking 3 over here, so the value of a will be equal to 3. Now over here 3 means what? 13. 3 means what? 13. So I will be carrying over here. So 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. My assumption is wrong over here. So my a can't be 3. Now if I am taking 2, over here, so over here it will be 2. So for example, if I am taking 2, over here b, okay, over here 3, over here 7, and over here 6, and over here 2. So over here 7 if I am taking, so it will be 12. So 2 over here, 1 will be carried. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6. So my this number has not got changed. Indirectly 2 has remained same. Now over here b, same concept what we have done over here. B means what? My value of b will be equal to 5 because 5 plus 7 12. 2 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6. So my value of b is equal to 5 and my value of a is equal to 2. Okay. So now moving on to question number 5. Now see over here in question number 5, b 3a b. Now the value of b should be such that both the values should be tallying, both the values should be same. Now see over here the trick a, b and c, the value of a, b and c. Now see over here, if I am taking the value of b as 1, so 1 3 is 3, my value of b is getting changed because I am taking over here 1, I am getting over here 3. Again 2 3 is 6, again the value is getting changed. 3 3 is 9, value is getting changed. 4 3 is 12, 2 will be getting over here, so value is getting changed. 5 3 is 15, yes, correct. So if I am taking a, if I am taking over here 5, over here 3, so it will be 5 3 is 15, the value of b is remaining same as it is. Now if I am taking over here 1, because 5 3 is 15, now my a and the c is not having a change, c can be different any number, but it should be a one digit number. Now see, now what should I take a, so that my a will be over here same as it is, because over here also a. So if I am taking over here 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 4, the value getting changed over here. If I am taking 2 over here, 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, it is getting changed. Over here 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 10, value is getting changed. 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 13, value is getting changed. If I am taking over here 5, see, 5 3 is 15, plus 1 16, but because of this one, the whole value of a is getting changed. Because of this one, the whole value of getting changed. So my value of b will be not equal to 5 because this one is being getting affected because of this a. So what will the value of b? My value of b will be equal to 0. So if I am taking my value of b as 0, so a into 0 multiplied by 3, so 3 0 is 0, my value of b has not got changed. Now the value of a, my b value is 0 over here. Now value of a, if I am taking over here 5, for example if I am taking the value of a as 5, so 5 3 is 15, again 5, a, instead of a I got the value of 5 and 1, so my value of a is equal to 5 and my value of c is equal to 1. But if I am taking over here 5, because of this 5 1, because of this carried 1, the value is getting affected, so I am taking the value of b as 0. So if I am taking over here value of a 5, so 5 is 15, again 5 is repeated, instead of a 5s are there over here and over here 1, so the value of c is equal to 1, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 0. Okay students, now we will be continuing question number 6. Okay. Now, pay on question number 6. AB multiplied by 5 will be equal to CAB. Now, my value of B should be equal. My value of A should be equal. C might be different, no issue. Okay. So, over here, same question we have done our question number 5. So, again, I am taking a chance that my B will be also equal to 0 only, because when I am taking the value of B as 0, my A is not getting affected. Okay, so my B's value is equal to 0 over here. So again, if I am writing A 0 multiplied by 5 and over here 0, because 5 0 is 0. Now, what is the value of A over here? So if I am taking 1 5 is 5, or value of A is getting changed over here. 2 5 is 10. If I am taking value of A as 3, so 3 5 is 15. 3 and 5, the value is getting changed. If I am taking 4 over here, 4 5 is 20. 0 is getting over here. If I am taking over here as 5, so 5 5 is 25. 5 same is written. My value of A is same as it is, and over here 2. So my value of A will be equal to 5, and my value of C will be equal to. Okay. Now, moving on to question number 7. AB multiplied by 6 will be equal to BBB. Means my B value, what I am taking over here, same value should be over here. Now, listen. If I am taking A, value of B as 1. So, rest of the B value should be also equal to 1. So, if I multiply it by 6, so 6 1 is 6. I am getting 6 over here. Means my value should be equal to 1 1 1. Yes or no? But when I am multiplying 6 1 is 6. It is coming as 6 over here. It is not coming as 1. So my option for the B is wrong. If I am taking 2 over here, so 6 2 is 12. Okay, of course. 12. 2 is coming over here. 1 will be carried. Now, what should I multiply by A so that my total will be also equal to 22. My total should be equal to 22. Now, in 6 table, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 is 18, 6 2 is 24. Number can't be greater than 22. Number should be smaller than 22. So 6 is 18. 18 plus 1, 19. I am getting over here 22. That means my B option is wrong over here. If I am taking 3, that means my all the terms should be equal to 3, 3 and 3. Now, 6 is 18. Of course, the answer is getting 8 over here. I want 3 over here. That means this answer also wrong. If I am taking 4 over here, 4 6 is 24. 24. And the other option will be over here 44. Now, in 6 table, smaller than 44. So, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 18, 24. 6 5 is 30, 6 is 36, 7 is 42. 6 7 is 42. 42 plus 2, 44. That means my value of B will be equal to 4 and my value of A will be equal to 7. See over here. If I am taking value of 7, B as A is 7. So 4 6 is 24, 4 2 carry. 7 6 is 42, 42, 42 plus 2, 44. That means the value of B is equal to 4, value of A is equal to 7. Okay. Now moving on to question number 8. 1 B 0. 0 means what? 10. 0 means 10 over here. So 10 minus 1? 10 minus 1? 9. So my value of B will be equal to 9. Now see over here how it will be. A 1 9 and total will be also equal to 9 because 9 B's value is equal to 9 over here. Now over here we are doing addition. So 9 plus 1 10. 0 1 carry. Now I want total to be 9. I am having over here 1 and over here 2. So 2 I am having. So 9 minus 2 7. My value of A will be equal to 7. So see over here. If I am doing 7 over here, 9 plus 1 10. 0 1 carried. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. The value of B is equal to 9. The value of A is equal to 7. Now same way question number 9. Now in question number 9, over here 3-digit number is there, and till now what we have done is a 2-digit number. So 3-digit number, literally interesting over here. So pay attention how to do it. Now B 1 and 8. 8 minus 1, 7. B, that means my B will be equal to 7. Decided, fixed. My B is equal to 7. Now, so I can't take it as 18 because if I'm taking this as 18, 18 minus 1 will be given as 17. B can't be a 2-digit number. It should be a single-digit number. So over here, my B is equal to 7. So I will write it over here as 2, 8, 7. B value is 7 plus 8, 7, 1, 7, 1. Okay, done. So 7 plus 1, 8. Now, this one means what? This one means 11. This one means what? 11. So 11 minus 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. My A value will be equal to 4. Now see how it is. Instead of A, I will write it 4 over here. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 will be carried. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. My B value is 7. Value of A is equal to 4 over here. Okay? Now, question number 10. Last question of this exercise. Over here, A, B and 9. Now, हम लोग का एक वैल्यू दिया, दो वैल्यू थे, हम लोग एक वैल्यू फाइंड किया. अभी हम लोग खाली एक ही वैल्यू दी है, दो वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. ऐसे सब हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में सॉल्व किया था. तो देखो, जो दो वैल्यू फाइंड करें तो उसको छोड़ो, उसके अंदर वाला सब अंदर को तो क्या हो जाएगा 2a है और एक 0. 0 मतलब क्या? 10. 0 मतलब 10. So my I'm writing over here 2a. So 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2, 8. That means my value of A will be equal to 8 over here. So 6, 8, B. And value of 8, it is 8 over here 0, over here 9. So my value of A will be equal to 8. Now see over here. 8 plus 2, 10. 0. 1 is being carried. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. So my 8 is correct over here. Now, I want to find the value of B over here. Total is 9 over here. So, 9 minus 8, 1. Therefore, my B value will be equal to 1. So, if I am writing instead of B, if I am writing 1 over here, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 8, 10. 0, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. All the A's are 8 over here. And my B value is equal to 1. Okay? Understood the exercise? Okay, so we will continue with exercise 16.2. Thank you, students.